Okay, today we are unboxing and installing a Bio Bidet BB-2000, and it's the elongated white bottle. Okay, when you open up the box, make sure that you have it right side up. Don't turn it upside down, and the reason for that is because you have the different things you need to install it right underneath. You've got your remote, and this one can be ordered in black or white. And then you have all the different attachments and parts you can use to make the installation. Some of these are pretty standard with all these bidets as far as how you attach it to your toilet. Everything you need is included in the package in the box. You've got a water supply line that you can use for your tank, and a T-valve here that you can use to connect the water supply to the bidet, and an adapter and a L valve, which you can attach here depending on whether you want to have the flexibility of having this go down and connecting the hose. The features about this bidet is that well, it has a cleaning instruction here. You have to make sure that you don't use any harmful chemicals on there. Water only on the plastic. It's actually PP resin, so you want to be careful with that. To install, it's pretty easy. You'll want to make sure that you connect your hose and everything before you power up the BB-2000. Having said that, the first thing you should do is connect the water line here. Here would be where you connect the T-valve. I chose a T-valve with a way to turn it off and on, so that's what this is, and that was not included. I went and installed this myself, and this is the line from the T-valve to the bidet that I installed. It has a little filter on this side that you should clean periodically, and I connected the L valve here so it would be facing down. To install it, it's pretty easy actually. This is the mounting plate here. It has rubber on the bottom, so you can slide it around to the right position. Once you figured out where you want it to line up with your toilet. This is what that looks like. So you put that down, this goes in like this, and then you screw this in. To install it, you have to line it up here. There's a ridge, and you just slide it right in until it clicks. It does have a release right here. That's how you release it, and you pull it out for cleaning. which you should do periodically. As demonstrated here, pull it out and turn it this way, and you can clean the bottom here. Every few months or so. You'll want to connect the water supply and everything before you plug it in, because otherwise you can damage the unit if it has power and no water inside. So you want to connect this first before you do anything else. It does have a touch sensitive manual control here on the side, and it has to be, this has to be grounded, and you can see my wall socket is grounded, so I don't need a separate ground. Otherwise you'll need to connect a wire from the bidet, and there's a screw underneath that you can do that, and connect it to here, so this is grounded. But if you have a wall socket that's grounded, then it's not a problem. It features soft close, for the lid and the seat. It has a skin sensor, so it only works when it feels there's someone sitting on it. And let's go over some of the features. Okay, this is the remote that comes with the Bio Bidet BB-2000. And to start off, we have your drying fan here, feminine wash, posterior wash, and your stop. And you have the more powerful wash here. This is a massage function, oscillating function here. This one, you press it again when no one's sitting on it, and it cleans the bidet. This one's on auto massage. This works the charcoal filter function on it. This here, you can adjust the temperature of the water. These two you can use to control how powerful the stream of water will be used by the bidet. This one here adjusts the in and out position of the wash, and this is the seat temperature here. This is to adjust the clock, and it will blink. This is the hours, this is the minutes. This is econo mode, which will keep the water temperature, I believe, at 89 degrees, and the seat at a same temperature, so it doesn't waste too much electricity. Okay, so let's check out the functionality here. Okay, so let's try this out. Let's do the posterior wash, and I believe it automatically goes for a certain amount of time, so let's do that. I'm putting my hand here because it does need to have a sensor that will indicate whether someone's actually sitting on the seat. So let's do that. And this is the posterior wash, and it's going to go for 2 minutes unless you stop it. Okay, this is the feminine wash. Again, that will go for 2 minutes unless you stop it. This is the dryer function, the air dry function, and you can change the temperature on that. And you can see it changing right there, hitting the temperature button here. That goes on for 3 minutes unless you stop it. Okay, this is the more powerful posterior, and that goes for 2 minutes. And you can control the strength of the spring here. You can dial it back here. You can see that it's not as powerful or increase it here. Turn it off. Okay, then this one is the massage or the oscillating function. So if you press, let's see, posterior wash, and you want it to oscillate, you press this button here, and you can see that it's going back and forth there. And again, that's for 2 minutes. You also have an auto function here. This is for massage. So again, 2 minutes. You press this, and you get that functionality for 2 minutes. Stop that. And this is the carbon filter, and that could be on all the time. Anytime you sit on it, it'll go on, or you can leave it off. And lastly, you can control the seat temperature here, and you can see it changing right there. Okay, then last thing I want to demonstrate is the if you want to manually clean it, you can have the bidet do that, and send this command. This same function here will clean it. It cleans after every operation, but if you want more cleaning, it will do this for a couple of minutes. So I press this. No one needs to be sitting on it, of course. And it'll cycle through and clean itself several times for 2 minutes or so. Or less, it wasn't even 2 minutes, or a minute or so. Okay. If you enjoyed this video review of this BB-2000 by Bio Bidet, subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and looking forward to posting another review. Thanks for watching.